Goedemorgen. Today, let us talk about something very unique in Dutch language. Have you ordered a biertje in a cafe? This is a beautiful boompje in your garden. En jouw gezinnetje is lovely. Your hondje Max is very friendly. Are you wondering about these words? Biertje, boompje, gezinnetje, hondje. You notice the words have suffixes after them. TJE, PJE, ETJE and JE. When these suffixes are added in Dutch nouns, those become Dutch diminutives, the verkleinwoorden. For example, het huis, het huisje, a small house. De boom, het boompje, a small tree. When we have nouns attached to these suffixes, we refer to something small. These suffixes imply the smallness of the objects, but not always. Sometimes these suffixes convey a sense of affection or familiarity. For example, mijn omaatje, my little dear grandmother. The Dutch simply love to use diminutives in their conversation. These are an essential part of the language, adding nuances and emotion to the language.